Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be teaching you how to create birthday cards on Evite. So you have to just log into your account on evite.com or sign up. Then once you do that, your page should appear this way. Click on birthday. Now you can see there are two sections: kids birthday and adult birthday. I'm going to go for the adult and click on it so that it would give me an array of or list of the available templates that I can visually choose from. So good. Now there is the free and the premium one. For the purpose of this class, I'm going to be using the free versions. Now good, once I have a template that I love or like, I can just choose it already. Let me just choose this sparkly and then click on keep it basic. So once you click on keep it basic, we can now fully customize this particular template to our choice. Now since we are using a free version, we just have to edit the text. You can invite it to good, Kelly's birthday, good. And once you are done with this, just make sure everything is in order, then click on next. Once you click on the next icon, it should take you to a page where you can edit the details. You can add your event title here, your date, your time, your um your time, your meridian time, or this really depend if you are in a different country. So add guest of honor here. You can also add your co-host here and your location. Then next will be the gifting. If you want to add a place where they can send a gift to you or add a wish list, you can click on that. But since we do not want that, we are clicking on the next, and then we will add. This is the final touch where we will add everything. We can edit all of this and then click on finish and add guests. So this is how to actually create a birthday card on Evite. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, guys, let me know in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to the channel for more. Have a great day.